Wow, what a sweet melody. I'm just enjoying this a lot. And also uploading the MP3s to my Patreon page where you can take advantage of the files to play along with me. I'm uploading separate 2 files for Violin 1 and Violin 2 so that you can decide which one you want to play with, turn it on, and boom, you're good to go. As well as the sheet music of this duet. This is on Patreon only, so subscribe for a small fee and you'll get access to all of that. Cancel anytime. Thank you very much for your support. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks.